Hi, welcome to Just the Tip with... Hi, welcome to Today on Just the Tip, we're going to talk about how to brighten your eye area using a concealer. So the first trick with concealer is you just want to start with a little tiny bit, okay? So you're going to go in underneath your eye here, just gently blending it in, okay? Down there, underneath your eye. Now, the best place to put a little bit of concealer just to brighten up your whole look in your face, open up your eye, is adding a little bit in through here as well. Okay, so that makes it an enormous difference for brightening your eye. And then what I like to do, because I'm super lazy, is I like to also just pull that concealer across my eyelid and up to my brow bone. That way I can use it as a primer and to highlight my brow bone as well. Okay. So then if you take a peek at my face, this eye was up all night watching garbage television, you can tell. This eye's ready to start the day. And go ahead and do the other one now. And there you go, a quick, easy tip to brighten up your eye.